5 Butler County school districts hope to get a property tax increase approved by voters come November. Well, some government leaders have pushed back on this idea. 9 on Your Side's Tom McKee explains the levy and how people are reacting to it.
Hamilton, Fairfield, Edgewood, New Miami, and Monroe are the 5 districts seeking this new tax money for school safety and for mental health services. It's a unique program, and Butler County is only the 2nd in Ohio to try it. It was hard to go anywhere in Hamilton Friday without people talking about the school safety tax levy. At Sarah's house downtown, Linda Keating, a former Hamilton teacher, suggested safety should start on the outside.
Whatever it would take, whether a school resource officer or more safety procedures in order to let people into the school building, whether that's detectors of some kind, metal detectors, or resource officers, whatever that might be.
Wherever it passes, property owners would be taxed about $53 a year more per $100,000 valuation on their home. But Alfred Hall says that's part of government's responsibilities.
One is to keep its citizens safe, especially our children. So I think we should be spending money on the things that government is supposed to spend money on, and keeping their citizens safe is one of those things.
In Hamilton, the levy would generate $1.2 million a year for 10 years. Superintendent Larry Knapp says half will be used to add school resource officers.
We have 5 now. We're adding 2 more in November through the Hamilton Police Department, and we would like to add 6 or 7 more.
That would put an officer in each of the district's 13 buildings. The mental health component involves trauma-based services for children.
When children are growing up, they can be subject to neglect, they can be subject to abuse, they can be subject to dysfunctional family situations.
Butler County Sheriff Richard Jones is against the levy, calling it a money grab. The county's auditor and treasurer are opponents as well. Superintendent Knapp says the district has not had any new operating money in 25 years, so he dismisses those charges. He says planning for this levy has been in the works for a year and a half. Tom McKee, 9 on Your Side, Hamilton.